guys, this is Lean Surprise Channel, and today we are doing it Play-Doh, and this Play-Doh called it Ice Cream Treats Sundae. So I'm so excited to open these. So let's get started. I'm gonna get the scissors. Open right here on the top. So we have a sundae glass and molds and Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, like greenish Play-Doh, and orange Play-Doh. And we have here a extruder, a ice cream scooper, the ice cream cone with mold over here, and a stand for the ice cream cone. We have a mold over here and mold on here. And last is a spoon. Bang. So let's get started. But first we're gonna do is opening the Play-Doh. So whoops. This is all I got, and let's do the Play-Doh of the sundae. So I'm gonna do is the sundae first. I'm gonna get the ice cream scooper, and I'm gonna get some yellow. I'm gonna scoop it inside. Scoop it. So I'm going to scoop it in with 3 scoops. Three scoops. 1 more scoop to go. So I am done with the scoops. And now the frosting. I'm going to start with this one. Oops, I'm going to cut this and put it there. Oh.
Yeah, I was going to, but you're home.
So I'm done making my sundae, and it's so yummy. It's making me hungry. Let me put it there. So I'm gonna start with my ice cream. Yay! So I'm gonna get this pink one. There's this pink scoop. I'm gonna do 1 scoop only. I'm going to scoop it inside. There. Now for the frosting. I am going to do this one. this little piece only. Oops. That. I'm gonna get it out. Okay, now I'm gonna scoop it there. So. Yay! So this is all I made. So thank you guys for watching my video, and subscribe, like, comment, share below. And see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye bye!